After listening to our customers' needs, we realized that operators wanted more capabilities from our chemical feed skid systems. Our engineers worked closely with our customers to design and build the product they were looking for. Introducing the all-new CHEM-FEED Triplex Skid System. The all-new Triplex Skid System is designed to securely mount up to 3 chemical metering pumps. Our skids are designed, manufactured, and tested in-house and always ship fully assembled for quick installation. We manufacture our skids on a strong, lightweight, chemical-resistant frame for hassle-free mobility. For your safety, every skid is assembled with vented ball valves and threadless, leak-free connections. An optional terminal box and electrical box are now available for better access to wiring connections. At Blue White, we are serious when it comes to simplifying chemical feed and fluid measurement. For more information, please log on to our website at blue-white.com.